If you want to grow your business and make more revenue, then you absolutely have to be using email marketing. It's the best performing marketing channel out there, even though it's not new or sexy, and gives a return on investment of around £40 for every £1 spent. But I see so many small business owners struggle with it because they just don't see any results. And in this short video, I'm going to explain the two main reasons why. The first is thinking that all emails sent from an email marketing platform are delivered to subscribers. That is simply just not true. There's a term in email marketing called deliverability, and this is what determines if your emails get into people's inboxes or spam folders, or sometimes not even delivered at all. There are several things that you can do to improve your deliverability, and the most critical one is authenticating your send from domain and email address. This involves adding a few lines of text to your DNS record, which is where your website domain is hosted, to tell email service providers that the email you're sending is actually from you and not somebody pretending to be you. The second best thing to do to improve your deliverability is to get regular engagement, people opening and, more importantly, clicking or replying to your emails. This gives a clear sign to Google and Yahoo that your emails are being enjoyed and therefore cannot possibly be spam. Another is to send consistency, both in timing and volume. If you send out an email once a month to your subscriber base of 200 people, then all of a sudden buy a list of 5k and email that list every day, what do you think that's going to look like to service providers? The second reason I see small business owners fail when it comes to email marketing is not having a strategy. Setting up a MailerLite account and sending out a few emails with no clear plan is not going to get you results. You might as well have saved the time and not even started in the first place. When you have a clear plan on what types of emails you should be sending, to who and when, you email the right people, the right content at the right time, in the right stage of their customer journey, and then you start to see more conversions. For example, you don't want to send a sales email to someone who's just joined your email list, nor do you want to send a loyal, regular purchase customer a let me tell you a little bit more about me email. Think of where your subscribers are in their customer journey with you and tailor your content to that. Also spend some time deciding on data fields, where you're going to collect email addresses and the frequency of your sends. Also make sure that every email only asks for one call to action. The more choices you give someone, the more likely it is that they won't choose anything. It's called analysis paralysis. I'm Hodge, an email marketing specialist, and I have helped all sizes of businesses from solopreneurs to multinational companies attract and convert more of their ideal clients with email marketing. I'm running a workshop for business women where I give you the 7 secrets to email marketing success. I'll take you through step by step how to write an email strategy, how to grow your list, and more importantly, how to measure success. We'll also be working through more ways to improve your deliverability, setting up workflows, and a dedicated Q&A session. So if you want to elevate your email marketing to increase revenue, save time, and deliver exceptional customer experiences, I'd love you to come along to the workshop. If you can't join live, it will be recorded and sent to you a few days after the session, but please try and make it live so I can answer all of your burning questions and get your email marketing giving you better results. Thanks for listening.